Okay, yeah, thanks for joining. So, yeah, as we discussed, like a CDS view, we built it, okay, and give the parameter it here and where condition as well. Okay, based on that parameter, like whatever we give the relevant data, we will get it at here. Okay, so this is the data. Now I'm going to build the IDA report. So I'm just go back by using the CDS view IDA. So SC38. I by using CDS view, I just make it CDS with the IDA report. Or else you can remove the report. Yeah, click on create. So execute all program, save it, continue. Okay, so we can for input purpose, like the tables I'm just taking PBAK and select option. Okay, so we can use the select option. S underscore VBELN for VBAK, VBELN. Okay, then you want a parameter like we given parameter also. I'm just using the parameter p underscore vk org in type vk org. Okay, it's my data element. Okay, then okay, so for the generally these parameters system not aware. Okay, so like we need to convert to range table. Okay, so for that purpose I'm just declaring one range table at here. So LR local range. Okay, VK org type range of VK org. Okay, now I'm just as usual like previous, however we use it like a creating a class, creating a reference object for class and all for IDA. So same thing we can do it here. Try catch. Here we can give the data, give the local object IDA. Then our class name is CL underscore SCLV, like UI table IDA. Then we have a static method. What happened? SCLV spelling wrong. Okay, then we can use the this time previous what we are done, we use the create. Miss if we are using database table, we can use the create. So now we are using the CDS view, then we can create CDS view. We can use this option. Okay, then we can provide the CDS view name. Sorry. Okay, that view name we have to provide it here. Okay, I'm just going to this and use the and give it here. And container, these are all I'm not required. I'm just removing. And you want catch and all, then you can uncomment it. Okay, so then we say what the difference if you use it and not use to suppress the dumps and all. Like if it is fail anything, okay, then this catch is going to suppress the dump issues. Then we can continue. Okay, now I want to like a specific fields. I want to fill catalog. Generally, we have field catalog in LV reports, right? If you require like a header text and all, okay, then we can use the field catalog at here also. So then how we can IDA, then we have a static. Okay, then we can field catalog. So we have a method with the field catalog. Then we can use this field catalog. Okay, so here we have a method set field header text. So this is the one. Okay, then we can use and provide the field name. So what is our field name? At here like we given in CDS view SO underscore number, right? So that we have to provide it here. And better you can use the conversions because anything went wrong, then this is going to take care that conversion and all. And you want to head the text, okay? So then you can uncomment. Then tool tip text, that means whenever you place the cursor at that column, then you want to some label, then you can use that as well. Okay. So what I will do, what I'm doing, better I will use the what conversion. Okay, same thing at here. Conversion, hash, give the brackets. And what is the label? Okay, whatever label you want. So sales document or document number, whatever. Okay, you want to create some text elements also. It is. Okay, same thing. I want to place it here also below. Then. Okay, so now I'm done this part. Okay, so I'm not required this and all. So you want to enable this catch and all, then you can enable it. Okay, then I'm just going for the next. I want to display this one. So, okay, so what are the fields I required? Those are all I want to enable it. Then I'm just going to call one more method, IDA field catalog. Okay, then we have a method get. Okay, well fields. Means if you want to all the fields, then you can choose the get all the fields. You want a specific fields, then you can choose the specific fields because CDS view is designed for multiple purpose, right? So it may be contain more fields. Okay, so but in our report we require specific. Then we can choose those specific fields. We can highlight. Okay, those fields only it is going to visible in our report. Okay, so I'm just go for the display. Okay, fields and then okay, now I want to convert this select option. So here we have a select option parameters and all, right? So based on these inputs only, I want to get the data. Okay, parameters is not a problem, but select option we need to convert it. Okay, then okay, okay. So let's convert this. Better I will make it comments also for better understanding. Select option convert range in parameter convert to range table, and this is field catalog. Okay, so what are the fields you required? All those fields you can change the labels and all. Okay, and now I want to convert. I just choosing only sales order number. Similar way, what are the fields you required? Like item number, document type, all these fields you can labels you want to change it, then you can use it here. Okay, now I'm just going for the range table. So converting the range table, L1 underscore range. So my class CL underscore SALV underscore range underscore tab collect. Sorry, tab collector. Okay, then now I have a range. Okay, then previous like we created add range, right? So same way we can add it. Give the field name like a sales order number. Okay, then that field name we have to provide it here, and this is like a select option. Okay, whatever we given in select option s underscore vbln, so we can provide it here, and field name. at here like a S4 underscore num. Okay, so this is the field name which we are having at serious view level. Okay, then this is one for sales order, and I want to convert the same thing for parameter. Okay, so then I'm choosing. So for parameter, first I need to convert to range table. So LR underscore VK watch. We already declare it here, range table. So first I'm going to fill this one value. So ash, okay, sign equal to inclusive I, and we have an option equal to between, and we have a low, whatever we pass the parameter VK watch. Okay, so this is okay. I is not there. I'm just closing. Okay, so now I have a range table at here. Okay, so this same thing I'm going to pass to this method. Means I'm converting parameter to range. So here we can give the field name for the sales arc, whatever we given. That's so sales arc, sales org, and this is my range table like LR underscore VK org. Okay. Now, all these two select options now we use it. So this we need to send to this one select option. First we need to collect the range tables, and then all that range table we need to send to select options. Okay. So let's range option collect. Okay. Then declare the inline declarations LT underscore select option. Then this we are going to pass to our select option table. Okay, so LO underscore IDA. So select options, set select options, and then we can pass to here LT underscore select option, and then we can uncomment for okay all these are all, and we can if you don't want we can delete it. Okay, then better try catch and try. Okay, now we are selecting part we are done. Better use the PT printer. Okay. Now we need to pass the CDS view miss data, like a set of what are the like a parameters. Okay, so we have a parameter as well, right? So we can pass that at here to CDS view IDEA. We have a parameter set view parameter. Okay, so previous we use this select option, right? So now we have a parameter as well. Now I'm choosing the parameter as well. Okay, value hash, then field name equal to like whatever we given the parameter field name. Okay, so p underscore vkwarg, p underscore vkwarg. Okay, and what is the value? Equal to like p underscore vkwarg. Okay, so now so this is one open bracket, two, and then we close the two brackets. Okay. Now we can set the visible fields, like what are the fields you want to visible, okay, and a few fields you want to hide. So what are the fields you required to display at output level? Only on that fields, then you can make it visible fields also, but it's a purely optional. If you are required really, then only you can go. Okay. Otherwise, all the fields if you want to display, then you can display all the fields. Okay, then I'm just use the default layout. So let me use. So we have a set visible fields. Okay, then so what are the fields you want to visible? Those fields and all we can specify it here. Okay, so equal to value, and we have a interface SELV GUI types IDA. Okay, so Y T underscore field names. Okay, so this is the one. Within this, we can specify what are the fields we require. All those are all. Let me remove this full stop. Then, okay, so here I would like to specify the field names like a convert. Everything better use the convert. Then dumps and all we can avoid and give the field name and give the like a field names. What are the fields we have? Those are all like SO underscore NO. This is one field. Okay, then same thing. Like what are the, let me take this. So this is one open bracket. So let me come from the beginning. This is one open bracket and this is for that. Let me do like this. Then we can easily understand. Then this is second open bracket. Okay. Continuation is required. So this is for that second and then this is for open. Okay. So this for this one, this is the close, and for this one, this is the close. Okay, I'm just taking this entire set. So next, I want another field, like which field you like. Okay, so item number. Then you can specify that field item number. Okay, few fields we can miss it because especially we are displaying exactly whatever we required. Okay, next is document type. I will skip the document type. I will take it sales arc. Okay, so let me sales arc. Okay, next is net amount. If you required all the fields, then okay, simply can skip this statement. Okay, then we can execute. Then we'll get it all the data. Okay, but you want specific fields, then on you can go because CDS view we designed for multiple purpose. Okay, then customer name, then we give in and material. So let me go for material. Okay, then you can go for quantity. And net price plant. Plant also I'm not going to take it. Net price. Okay, so net price. Plant I'm just skipping. Okay, around two fields I'm skipping. One is document type, net plant, and remaining data I'm taking. Okay, so now we can go for the assumptions. Okay, so check these are all catch. In that case, we can give the try and then catch it here and try. Okay, now like we required standard toolbars. Okay, or else let me display, and then we can like okay, first we'll display, then we can provide the toolbars and all. For display, we have a okay, so we can create a reference LO underscore display. Okay, so equal to we have a IDA LO underscore IDA method display full screen. Okay, then this I can remove it, and then we have a LO underscore display. Sorry, full stop. Okay, so if one method is display, done. Okay, this is for display purpose, display output. And this for visible purpose, visible, what are the fields you want to visible it? Yeah, and this is converting parameter, passing pass parameter. Okay, then this is the select option, collective select option. Means all you collected select option. Okay, so fine. Now I'm just going, okay, so check. There is a catch, try catch, I miss it. And try. Then try is there. Try. Let it printer name. Okay, so this we have a name also, right? This is for value, not name, value. Name already given, right? So next is value, fill name and value. Okay, let me go. What is there? So bracket. So this is one. So this is one. Then close. This is two. And close. Then what happened to value? This is one. Come to from the beginning. Parameter level one and value level two. And okay, I need to provide this also. One more. Means if you have a multiple, then multiple you will give it at here. Parameters, multiple parameters are there, multiple you will give it. Okay, now like yeah, this is fine. Like a warning only. Again, select option level, we are not given high, right? So there is no high. So I'm not given. Now we can go for debugger. Let's see. Execute. Okay, so we can give the sales order. Okay, so let me check within the sales arc, what are the sales order is that? So 1710 we can give it. 1710 sales arc and sales order 22 to I will give around 50 or 60 something. 22 to 60. Execute. Okay, so this is our CDS view. It is going to generate with the CDS view, this IDA class. And then what are the labels you required for the fields? Okay, for specific fields and just maintain with this one. Okay, so text elements I'm not maintained, but it's okay. Generally you can maintain, then translate for other languages as well. And then field catalog. Okay, now so total we have a this many columns. Okay, so around 10 columns we have. Okay, then we are like a select option, we are converting to range table, and then that range table we are passing collected range, we are passing to here. Okay, so previous example we choose only one. Now this example we have a two. Okay, because two select option screen level select screen, we are choosing two, then we are getting those. Okay, and then yeah, so I'm just going for this. Okay, now parameter, whatever the value I pass to parameter, so I'm just set the parameter for IDA. Now, what are the visible fields are visible I required? Those are all I just choose it. Now I'm just going for display the data. Okay. Oops. What happened? Data didn't came.
Is it not possible we have to give the purchase order document number, or if we won't pass anything, then
If you are not pass anything, then it won't get like because it is a parameter, right? But it is converted to between. Just thinking about.
we'll give the organization name, but we won't give the document number. Then
Okay, sales order number. Then what is the say arc level we have data? The entire sales orders will get it.
we'll see.
Yeah, but it's not went anywhere for catch. So I'm just wondering why we do have a select option. Now we not given that one, right? So only parameter we given. So parameter only it is collected now. So but it should be equal to, that is what I'm just thinking. But okay, let's see.
I
So
think that
these are
is the
only.
reason, because it was taking between.
Uh, I'm just thinking that, let's see here. Let me change it to equal to. So let me go to
Are
select
we
option.
initializing somewhere that date?
Uh, no,
Okay.
actually that is coming from this place, that range and all. So we can comment this.
You you are
Here
initializing with
it is.
between.
Sure,
Uh,
sure, sure. Here itself I'm doing. Okay, okay. Let me change it. Equal to. Okay. Let me try.
if we will comment that line, will it be a problem, or it will take as usual?
Yeah, again we need to convert, right? So to this range one. So when we are converting, again, if you are not give it properly, then it won't happen. So range table we need to convert it, and then we need to add it here. So that is required. Okay. And field names also should be same, otherwise we'll get a problem. Yeah, now it is coming. So that between only the problem. So I need to provide the equal to.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Now we can figure the sales order, then exactly it comes. Now it contain everything. Okay, if you notice it here, there is a document type. Generally in CDS view, we have a data with the document type, per plant and all. So these two fields I miss it in our IDA report. So those two fields are not populating it here. Okay, and if you notice that here, this generally I given this document label. Okay, in CDS view level, it is a sales or SO underscore num. Okay, but here it is came with the document. Okay, so document we are given in our report with the field label, field catalog level, header text I given, so that header text it is coming. Okay, so like this. Okay, so these are all coming from the data element level, all these field labels. So if you're not provided anything, then it pick it from the data element level. Okay, so if you are provided something specific label, then on that label is get it from here. Okay, and you want the standard toolbar, like by default we got the ascending order, descending order, summation, like all these are all. Okay, additionally you want any standard toolbar and all, then we have a specific. Okay, so those are all we can enable it. Okay, so let me do that part also, then we can, I think, okay, so mostly this much only we have in idea. Okay, so let me go
Yeah.
for LO_IDA, right, from standard functions. Okay,
After
so like, sorry,
I just asking after IDA, what are other topics are there?
performance, this one, we have a
Trace, trace I
trace
think.
and all, correct, trace part.
Trace, but you told some report is there, right?
That is ID Miss AMDP trace we done. Uh,
Uh,
so apart from that, like we have a SM30, not SM30. We have a SQL trace and all, right? Performance
okay.
relevant. So variants we created, and then how we can utilize those variants. So that part, only that is left.
Okay. After that, we'll like please share the interview questions actually, like
Yeah,
how they
yeah.
will apply.
Already uploaded in Drive. Last time when you asked for some interview, you said, right? So that time one
Uh-huh.
notepad I given. So which is generally I prepared for myself for interview
Okay.
purpose. So I just given there. Just take
Okay.
a look. Mostly AMDP, CDS view only they will cover. Okay,
Okay.
and
Okay.
less part in IDA because IDA is mostly less only. IDA
Okay.
level Fusey, but okay, mostly they cover LV means CDSV, MDP, OData, that part.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so aggregations you required, then these are all like a tools and all. Let me go. Just enable all the tools. IDA we are done. Text, the text search. And you want AAF, I will give it. Like how we can config that AAF and all.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so that we can take it like something unofficially, not from. I will update to these people, institute people, like we are done. And Saturday, Sundays we will take it that part like a
Ah,
AAF and all.
yeah. Sure.
So because recently I attended one interview, they asked about
Uh-huh.
this one AAF. Again,
You
that
attended
is,
or you?
yeah, I attended. Uh,
Okay. So you are trying to jump on the other companies.
it's not like that. I sometimes I just for attend uh, like that. But
Practice
if it is
purpose.
good, yeah, practice purpose because we should not lose the skill.
Yeah.
Like
Have a.
because miss clearing interviews is different and working is different. Correct.
Yes. Yes.
So
100%.
yeah, yeah. So sometimes we need to keep on attending, then we'll get some
Yeah.
grip. And we won't lose the confidence also, and we get some interview questions also what they're asking, like
Yeah.
if you are not like if then we can clarify those things and all, then we can prepare ourselves. So it's my
Yeah.
hobby basically. Sometimes I
Yeah.
feel like a move also, but these people not allowing. Already I tried multiple.
You
This
want
is
to come?
standard.
Please let me know. Eh?
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Because here they given now they schedule external interview panel they kept me.
Okay.
So they're doing something, but working wise okay, but output is less. So that I'm just thinking.
Here, here in Deloitte, actually, the compensation and all actually good.
Uh, yeah, yeah, delight I'm aware. Means I'm not work, but I'm aware my few of people are there, like colleagues
Uh,
and students also. Miss
uh,
pay, everything is good. Delight, I can say. But now for me, it is not suitable like that, I feel. That load and
okay.
all.
Yeah.
Because I feel like IBM, oh,
Good.
so flexible, so good. Don't share this record session because we were
Never, never, never,
dis
never,
discussing something.
never. I won't.
Yeah, okay. Something with the sales order might be. Okay. Oops, now again gone. What happened? Something exceptions went it here. Let me check. There's no exceptions. Oh, between now. Shit. Let me fix this issue first.
Yeah.
Equal to. Hopefully we'll get it now. Okay, so now we are enable like all these are all, and additionally we have it here as well. Layout change. Okay, so these are all assigning sort. Okay, so whatever we standard toolbar we are in. Okay, previous. Okay, uh, like it is previous also it came, but action may not be happens. But you want to functionality should be happens, then you can enable those tools and all. Okay.
Yeah.
So these are all for tools purpose, standard toolbars. Okay, this is like a standard piece of code. You just copy paste whatever you are doing, that report and all,
Mhm.
and just you can change everything. Can just copy paste. Okay, only you need to modify. One is like what is the CDS view is different, so that one, and if it is field labels, those field labels. Okay, and rest are all like this is like what are the selection screen, only that part, and rest of piece of code is same as it is, you can copy paste. This is visible, it is purely optional only, but most of part is select, one is select option and CDS view name. These two things only you need to modify. Rest are all template, you can prepare one notepad and keep it this piece of code ready. Okay, whenever you get the requirement, then just you can copy paste and just change the selection screen, relevant fields and all, and CDS view
Mhm.
name, these two. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
then within hours you
That's
can
it.
build the report.
Yeah.
Okay, so this
Okay.
is about this one IDA part. So I given couple of examples in my notes. Okay, with
Okay.
the error handling, event handler, hotspot. Okay, little bit more
Okay. Okay.
detail. Just take a look that. Okay.
Okay. Sure. Sure.
Okay.
And Sudhir, I prepared one model full program. I think there is some issue
Uh,
to assigning that container to that box.
okay.
We'll check
Uh,
that one. Otherwise,
okay.
we'll check later. Yeah, we'll check later. That is not important.
Fine, fine. Anything is fine. I will give the. I am not given that one. I given right. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
That
You
is
have
just
given.
a copy paste I given like code. Okay.